Hi friends, so today we are going to learn how we can do leaflet. So this is the main output, that is the last output of our project. So here you can see that we have one zooming levels, that is we can do the zoomings, and you can see the mini map over here, so that we can drag over here, and also you can collapse that, and there is a zooming levels here, so that you can just need to click on those things that in the how much zooming levels that you need, and you can see the zooming levels over there. And also we'll put it like this. Okay, and this is the toolbar that we have, so that we can mark things over here. Okay, and also we have one square, and we have polygons, that is polygon is the main thing, like it will be filled with these portions will be selected in a line, only that line will be there. And also we have the, that is, what is this, yeah, polygons, that the I just wrote here, and one circle is there and points are there. Okay, so this is the things that we have, and if you need to edit these things, you can just give that edit over there, and you can edit the lines or anything that you have just wrote, you can just edit that one, and you need to give that finish over there. And if you are getting that moving purpose, or you can just cut, what if you need to cut this much portion inside that polygon, you can do that also. And if you need to erase all those things, you can just erase that, and you can undo, that is you can just rotate the polygons or anything that you have written, you can just rotate that also. And also we have one scale bar over here, so that we can see the scale of the image. This is done by a Symbol HTML file, that is this is a Symbol HTML tag that we have, and here you need to import the style sheet for leaflet, that is leaflet.css and leaflet.js in your HTML file. And these files you can get from the official documentation of leaflet. There you can find the leaflet over here. If you download that leaflet, you can see that in your downloads, that is it will be from a simple folder saying that leaflet. You just need to copy paste all the files that you have here inside your your project, that is I have created one leaflet demo over here. You need to just copy paste all the files over there, and also the HTML file that you have that you are now editing in your Visual Code. So after that, you just need to give that script over there. Inside the script we are doing all the things, that is the minimap, the toolbar, the zooming levels, scale bar, like that. So here you are creating one map, and you are creating one layer, that is a basic layer for this, that is a basic layer. We need to do the things like this now, so we need to put one layer over there also. And this is the piece of code that is used for this toolbar, and this is for minimap, and this is for scale bar, and this is for the zooming levels. You can get those from here, that is inside these plugins. If you go to these plugins, and if you are searching for something like zoom, you can give first we can go for minimap. Okay, so here you can see that mini maps. So here you only need to use this leaflet demo. If you are clicking on this leaflet minimap, it will open a GitHub, and over here they will give the code for minimap. And you can also okay, so this is an, I think there is a demo also for some of the files. Some of the plugins they give one demo also. I think it's the for toolbar. Okay. Okay, let me check. Yeah, leaflet toolbar. Inside that, if you go, okay, let me check. Yeah, add controls. It is controls. That is inside the here I think you can go for controls, switching controls, and you can go for one. Let me check. Yeah, here you can, the polygons. Okay, so I think you can go for something like this. Yeah, this is the zoom panel, and this is for the scale, and this is for the minimap, and this is for the this is also for the minimap, and inside this this is for the toolbar. Geoman, this is used for toolbar. Okay, so I will put these all these links in my description so that you can find easily from there. And yeah, so all this, so here you can find all the things you needed, and if you go through this documentation you can find other plugins also, like you can give anything that you need. If you need anything like what, I think you can also add videos, and if you go for this demo also you can see the demos, that is the backgrounds, the labels, view, control lines there. So they are giving some demos also. You can just go for that demo so that you can see what you wanted, and according to that you can add in your project. That is, if you need the heat maps also, you can go for heat map over there. So you can just search for leaflet demo and you can see the demos over there. It's very better to you go for any GitHub links so that you can find very easily and you can develop your project very easily. So that's it. So I will put all the links in the description box. So thank you so much for watching.